Welcome and thank you for joining us. We are looking at a question on volume, and the question we have reads, the diagram below represents a solid made up of a hemisphere mounted on a cone. The radius of the cone and the hemisphere are each 6 centimeters, and the height of the cone is 9 centimeters. Calculate the volume of the solid. Remember, the solid is made up of a cone and the hemisphere. Therefore, we can say volume of solid is equal to volume of a cone plus volume of the hemisphere. How do we find the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is given by a third pi r squared you multiply by the height. We have been given the radius as 6 centimeters and also the height of the cone is 9 centimeters. We substitute. This one is going to be a third times 22/7 times radius, which is 6 times 6. You multiply by 9, and this one is going to give us 339.43 centimeter cubic. Once we are through with the volume of the cone, we can now move to the volume of hemisphere. Remember, the hemisphere is half of the sphere, and therefore the volume is given by half times 4/3 pi r cubed. We can now proceed and substitute. This one is going to be half times 4/3. You multiply by pi, which is 22/7. You multiply by the radius cubed, that is r times r times r. Remember, our radius is 6 centimeters, and if you work out this part, you'll get an answer equivalent to 452.57 centimeter cubic. To get now the total volume is going to be equal to the volume of the cone, which is 339.43. You add the volume of the hemisphere, which is 452.57, and this one gives us a total of 792 that is 792.0 centimeter cubic as the volume. Thank you for watching, and in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two. You click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification.